Hi, I'm Chris from Evelyn James Couture. Today is a fun day. It is an unboxing day. I have been ordering a couple SLGs lately, and if you would like to help me find out what's in these boxes, this is your video. So I have taken the time to cut the boxes open and to cut the bags open. Slightly open, and I truly could be surprised. These might be last minute Christmas gifts that never came, or they might be some SLGs that are coming my way. So the first thing I'm going to open is something from within the United States. It's from Long Beach, California. Air pocket. It's my Gucci that I ordered. Oh, I'm so excited to see this. This is one of my first SLGs from Gucci, and I feel this dust bag is way silkier. It's really nice. The ones from Louis Vuitton are kind of flannel. This is a satin feeling. Let's see, what is this in the bottom? Oh, Gucci has their own desiccant packages. How funny is that? Yay! So I ordered this card holder. It has the gilded golden bees on it. So this is your dollar. I'm not sure. Let me think. Where would it be? Oh, right in here. Going to one of my Louis Vuittons that is very close to me. I noticed I had a $20 bill. And yes, it does look like money would fit in this side pocket. Put that aside. This one is made in Italy. It has a really nice snap closure. Zipper top, has the zipper pull here that works so well. Has 1, 2, 3, 4 slots for credit cards or ID. And then it has a slip pocket in the back, which I am actually going to use this for identification. So I might put some of my business cards in there. Yay, I'm so excited. 1 out of 4, cha-ching, big success. Let's see. This one came from Australia. I ordered this before Christmas. It was caught in customs for about a month, which is why, just based on the country, I know what it is. It's been sealed really well. So if you can just give me a minute with my scissors. I'm gonna work on getting the bubble wrap open. You know, I think this is a really good idea when you're packaging anything that needs something in the box, any SLG, you need to have waterproof packaging. So we have bubble wrap, and then she's also used a Tyvek bag to protect it further. So there is no, sorry, I'm working hard to get this open. The bubble wrap is the cushioning and a little bit of waterproofing. But the Tyvek bag is the main waterproofing. Look at that. Do you know how much I love these boxes? If you've heard me say it 1,000 times, navy blue is my favorite color. So we've got some really fun blue accents. My second favorite color is orange. I know what this is, and I'm super excited to show it with you. Some of the tags. It has the original tissue paper from Louis Vuitton, and you can see the seal on it, Louis and Vuitton. Okay, this is a Snood from the Sprouse collection. I have black on, so let's see how this looks. It's reversible. It has the leopard pattern on one side. This is 100% silk, and it has brown with kind of fuchsia colored polka dots on the other side. And a snood, if you've not heard that weird word, it's pretty strange. I had to look it up, is kind of like an infinity scarf, but much shorter. So let me take this off. So I'm 2 for 2. Oh my God, I just love this. Okay, here is number 3. I am totally stumped as to what this is. Again, it's got some really nice bubble wrap on it to protect it from being dropped, from being crushed. These scissors are so not working today. Maybe if I try it right here where it's only 1 ply. This is how you know that this is a true reveal, a true unboxing, because I would have made this far easier on myself. Has some tissue paper on the inside, something's wrapped in here. What is this? I'm wondering if this is one of the Christmas presents that I've been missing. Oh my God, look how funny this is. We have another, oh my God, this is so taped. Another baggie, gotta love my baggies. So I own a silver metallic keep-all. It's a super limited edition. There were 75 of them made, and it was missing a couple pieces. It was missing the coordinated bag charm, and it was also missing the lock and key. So Holly Jo Dyson from one of the Facebook groups that I am on, she has her own group as well, but I just can give her glowing reviews. She has amazing products. She has amazing customer service, quick as a bunny at getting you your product, and she offers really nice payment plans. Anyways, this is the silver lock and key that I've been waiting for to complete my silver keep-all. The keys, I have 2 of them. This is brand new, never been used. You can see how beautiful this lock and key is. 3 for 3 have been fantastic. Oh, this is the last one. This one came from Japan. Let's see. I have this cute little blue dust cloth. It's one of the worst things in America, which is styrofoam, because it gets little beads everywhere. This looks like it's maybe a little easier to open. Oh, my kids are spying on me. Oh, this is not something for me. This is something I ordered for my mom for Christmas. This is so funny. I waited and waited and waited at least 2 months for this to come. My mom has, this was just kind of a gag gift. My mom has a Jeep Compass, and I ordered her a little Jeep Compass model. It has tissue paper around it so it doesn't turn. So 3 of the 4 were actually for me. Mom, look, you have a Jeep Compass. So this is really silly, but thank you for joining me for my unboxing of 4 different boxes. 3 of which were luxury items, I would say. I don't know if you want to consider this little guy a luxury item, but if you do, everybody loves little toy cars. I am so glad you came with me today to see this reveal and unboxing. And I have a couple more boxes I will show you in another video coming up. If you like the video, please like below, subscribe, and click on the little bell so you can get a notification when the next video goes live. And I will see you so soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.